Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your connection and power state. Run a quick speed test on the TV or a phone to see if you have 510 Mbps for 720p or 15 plus Mbps for HD. Once done, power cycle the TV and router by unplugging for 30 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. If possible, move the TV closer to the router or switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, or plug an Ethernet cable directly into the TV to avoid wireless interference. Next, focus on the software stack. Update the YouTube app and the TV's firmware so you have the latest performance fixes. Then close other running apps and, if the TV allows, clear the YouTube cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted files. Make sure the TV's performance mode is on. If buffering persists, lower playback quality in the YouTube settings to 480p or 720p. These steps reduce CPU and network load, which is why they often stop stuttering. Finally, tighten network priorities and isolate the problem. Enable quality of service on the router to prioritize your TV or assign a static IP so the router treats it consistently. If you can, test YouTube by casting from your phone or using a streaming stick. This tells you whether the TV app is at fault. If problems remain, try a full factory reset of the TV or move to Ethernet or a mesh Wi-Fi node to eliminate wireless drops. If that fails, a single troubleshooting tip. Check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.